What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing video and review video. And you're like, Chris, what in the world's going on? Happy birthday to your back. You might have seen the advertisements. This is for a back roller named Chirp. This is not a foam roller. This is one of a kind. This is a lot different than all the other ones you've probably have seen. And it even has a spine canal. I personally need to use this, and not to mention for a sore back after boxing, kickboxing. I've been doing a lot of frisbee disc golf as well, and that takes a lot of toll on your upper back, your core, and all that stuff, your muscles in your back. And my posture is normally pretty bad. I try to sit up straight with my shoulders back, but that does not happen all the time. And so I want to relieve some back pain as I get older myself. And before we do get it out, in the description box below, top line is going to be the link that's going to take you to 10% off your order. This is the medium Chirp wheel, but they do have a small one. They do have a small 8-inch. They do have the 10-inch, which the medium is. They have a 12-inch one, and you can read more about it on the website. You can pick up all three with a posture band as well for your back. See if you want the whole set or buy an individual one. That link again is going to be below. Alrighty, inside of the box is going to be our Chirp wheel. Right there, folks. Okay, first, right off the bat, you're gonna have some squishy foam here, and that is only about 1 centimeter or so high, maybe a little bit shorter than that. And then you got hard plastic down below here. Let's go ahead and see what this says here. It says Chirp Wheel Plus. This again is the 10-inch one. Here, right here, is gonna be your spinal canal area there. See how it dips in? So your spine goes right in here. We do have a Chirp logo on there. Let's go ahead and roll it all the way around. Here is our seam that you can barely see there for the foam. And so again, guys, it looks very simple. And so I'm very intrigued here. So I'm actually going to be taking this to the kickboxing gym today. I want to see what other people are saying about it. And not to mention, of course, I'm going to be jumping on this myself. So let's go ahead and get underway. Oh, and by the way, I do love their slogan, feel good, do more. When I feel good, I do more. I like that. All right, guys, we're going to show you the Chirp wheel here. We have Coach. He's going to give us our nice example here. So what we do typically, we go ahead and sit on it like that, and then slowly kick out your legs as you're rolling it down your back. And then what we like to do is we like to get it right there on your shoulder blades, stretching out your arms there. And then you're walking it back as you're breathing out, and you're gonna feel a crack right about there. It depends how tight you are. And then go ahead and lean back as she's doing there. And what I like to do is do that about 3 times or so as you're breathing out, just rolling it down the spinal canal as it's not hurting your spine because of that canal there on the Chirp wheel. And you can either have your hands back, make it comfortable, but you definitely want to use the Chirp wheel and your weight of your body on it to be able to crack your back. So this is an absolute amazing way to get loose in the morning. Here we are after training, after kickboxing class for 1 hour, loosening up and stretching before we go home for the night. The Chirp wheel is doing a great job. Thank you, Coach. Okay, so we saw Coach do it already, but I want to show you one more time, and I'm going to kind of walk you through it a little bit more slower here. So what I do is I just sit on it like this, or you can kind of just sit in a kind of a position like this and get it on your back. If you do have slippery socks, you might, especially on the hardwood. I'm gonna go ahead and lower my socks so I can get a little traction on the hardwood here. You do need some room to roll out this direction. So I'm just gonna back it up just a little bit. We should still be in frame here. So again, just like what we saw Coach do, I like to go like this. I like to bring my whole body forward and roll it right up there on my back. And what this is nice for is that I'm able to stretch out my arms, especially from kickboxing and the gym. It really beats me up. And then I breathe a couple times, exhale. I breathe as I'm pushing out. And you want to be nice and relaxed as you're rolling up the spinal canal, going from the top of the back down. And especially in the morning, I love to do this in between cups of coffee. Just breathing out slowly as I'm rolling from the top down to the bottom. and you just feel the pressure, especially when you're relaxing, you feel the pressure and you get some pops. Coach said she got some nice pops. I don't know if the camera picked that up or not, and then if you want to go all the way to your lower back as well. Honestly, this is a cool device. I like it better than the smaller foam rollers myself. It feels better on my back. Obviously, you do have a nice pad. You do have the channel canal right here as well. I think it's fine for my back. A guy in the gym actually said it would be cooler to see a wider one. So maybe generation 2, maybe they could double the width of it. It depends upon your body type. This is fine for me. I guess if it was a little bit wider, I'm not sure how that would affect the ability to get in nice and tight with your back, so don't quote me on that one, but I do like the design. It does not hurt my back because we do have, again, the nice padding here with good traction as well. Overall, I think it's really cool, guys. In the description box below is going to be my code. And Chirp is actually having a sale right now, so check out that link right below. Use my affiliate code, guys. Pick yourself up either one or the 3-wheel set with a free posture strap for your back to be able to help your posture out. Again, that code will be below. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. Hopefully it's giving you an informed decision. Check out those links once again. Hit that thumbs up button on your way out. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.